Hello and welcome. I'm Jenna. Whether you're on a break at work, traveling, or simply stealing a quiet moment in your day, this practice is designed to meet you exactly where you are. You don't need a perfect space. You don't need silence. You just need a few minutes and a willingness to pause. Wherever you are right now, that's enough. Your body knows how to soften. We're simply giving it permission. Find a position that feels sustainable. If you can lie down, wonderful. If you're seated, let your back rest against something supportive. If neither is possible, simply close your eyes and be still. Let your hands rest wherever they naturally fall. Allow your body to settle into whatever surface holds you. You don't need to arrange yourself perfectly. Just arrive. Before we move through the body, we'll plant a sankalpa, a heartfelt intention or resolve. This is a short, positive statement, a seed placed in the fertile ground of your relaxed awareness. You might already have one, or you can borrow this offering. I carry peace with me wherever I go. Repeat your sankalpa silently in your mind 3 times with sincerity and trust. Now we begin a gentle journey through the body. Simply notice each area as I name it. There's nothing to change, only to witness. Bring your awareness to your whole face, your forehead, smooth and wide, your eyes resting behind closed lids, your cheeks, your jaw softening, your mouth, lips gently touching or slightly parted. Notice your throat open and relaxed. Your neck, releasing any holding. Feel both shoulders at once, dropping away from your ears. Sense your upper arms, heavy and warm. Your forearms, your wrists, both hands together, palms soft and open. All 10 fingers releasing. Let your attention rest on your chest. Notice the gentle rise and fall with each breath. Your heart space, quiet and protected. Sense your upper back, supported and releasing. Your middle back. Your lower back, heavy and warm. Feel into your belly, soft and unguarded. Your hips, both sides together, sinking. your pelvis grounded and still. Allow your awareness to flow into both thighs at once, heavy and relaxed. Both knees soft at the joint. Both shins and calves releasing. Both ankles. Notice both feet together, the tops of your feet, the soles of your feet, all 10 toes letting go. Now expand your awareness to sense the whole body at once, one unified field of sensation, whole, complete, at rest. We'll anchor this stillness with a simple breath count from 10 down to 1. Each number marks one full breath, inhale and exhale. There's no way to do this wrong. 10. 9. 8. Now continue on your own all the way to 1. Let each breath carry you deeper. Release the counting now. Simply rest in the rhythm of breath. It's time now to begin your return. Before we transition, bring your sankalpa back to mind one more time. Repeat it silently, sealing this intention in your deepest awareness. Begin to sense the borders of your body once again. Notice where your skin meets the air, where your body meets the surface beneath you. Feel the volume of your body, the space you occupy. You are here, whole, safe. Let your breath deepen just slightly, expanding your rib cage a little more with each inhale. Gently awaken sensation in your fingers and toes. Tiny movements, a soft flutter. If it feels right, you might stretch gently, reaching your arms overhead or rolling your wrists and ankles, or simply remain still for another moment. Take a moment to thank yourself for pausing, for choosing rest in the middle of everything. May you carry this calm with you. May you remember that peace is portable. Wherever you go, stillness lives within you. Thank you for joining me today. When you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes and return to your day. Or if you prefer, feel free to stay here and rest for a few more moments. There's no rush. Take whatever time you need.